Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do another alternate card using the Key to My Heart January 2023 paper pumpkin kit. So I've pulled some things off my shelf to play with here. I started with one of the card bases, this one here, and I took the front off and I used the stitched rectangle dies to cut out a frame. And I took a piece of 5 by 3 3/4 and ran it through the Cane Weave 3D embossing folder. You can see the lovely detail on that. I also took one of the heart punches and punched out some petal pink and ran it through that same Cane Weave 3D folder. So those are all the pieces that I've got. I've got just a basic card base, North American size, in the petal pink. And I'm going to use just regular adhesive, but I'm going to go all the way around the edges because this is a really, really detailed die. Lots of ups and downs in it. So we are going to put adhesive all the way around the edge so that the edges stay down. Sometimes if you've got a really detailed embossing folder, the edges can curl a little bit. So you want to put your adhesive all the way around the edge. I've already stamped Love is the Key in the petal pink on one of the banners from the kit. I am going to dimensionalize this frame that I've cut out, and then I'm going to just add it to the front of the card, and I will be dimensionalizing the rest that go on the card, except for the key will lay flat on the heart in the middle. So let's get this built. So I'm gonna go from here. And I want to say thank you to all the people leaving comments and letting me know what you like about the videos. And if there's things that you'd like to see in the videos that you're not seeing, if you'd like more detail, less detail, please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like. I know I've had requests for more floral videos, and I'm going to see how I can work a floral video into this set. Like, it might be a bit of a challenge. But I'm going to see what I can do. So I'm going to put 3 dimensionals on the back of here just to make sure it stays down. I had it just plain and it was too plain. So I ran it through the Cane Weave folder as well. Now the key, maybe I'll use mini dimensionals on the key, because I think if it lays flat, it's going to be just a little flat. So I'm going to put some mini dimensionals on. See if I can tuck one in there so it can't be seen. Yes, that worked very well. Okay. So I'm just going to put this across like that, almost like an arrow, but not quite. And let's put some dimensionals. Now, with this one, I'm going to lay it across here. So I need the dimensionals to be inside a little bit, because otherwise they'll end up over top of the frame around the edge. So I'm going to pop them right in the middle so they go down onto this layer here and don't squash down the frame on the outside. Let's just move that over so it's even. I'm just going to, I need to lift this side up just a little bit. Sometimes when it's laying down flat, I'd have trouble making sure it's even. So there we go. So there is our another alternate card using elements from the January 2023 paper pumpkin kit called Key to My Heart. So stay tuned for more alternate videos.